we celebrate these 6 outstanding Groves High School seniors as they take a major step into their futures.
Their immediate futures begin at Gulfstream Aerospace.
Congratulations on your hard work, your dedication, your tenacity, your grit, and your commitment to changing your lives and making a better life for you in the years to come.
It took us 2 to 3 years to finish our pathway, and then this current year we went to Savannah Tech and we got certified in structure and sheet metal and composites.
It is a big step towards my end goal in life, and it's happy to finally not have a job but have a career.
Matthew and Rayquan, Ahmasia and Sofia, and Jalen and John have taken full advantage of the partnership between SCCPSS, Savannah Tech, and one of the top 10 aerospace companies in the world.
Gulfstream invests $5 million annually in the Georgia public education, and we work together to deliver an aviation-focused curricula that helps talented individuals like those sitting at the table here to find their home in a full-time role at a company like Gulfstream.
You are our ambassadors. I want people to always say, wow, those students from Savannah Chatham Public Schools are the best. We're so proud of you.
You talk about somebody who has tenacity, somebody who has endurance.
It means a lot for me because I know when my mom passed away, I told her that this is what I want to do, and she was head over heels about it. She allowed me to study. She was also my study partner. She would help me come home. She wouldn't even know the work, but she would try her hardest to understand, and that would just make me want to try harder to make her proud.
It's facing those challenges and those obstacles and overcoming them. It helped all of us out a lot.
The 6 have signed 2-year full-time paid apprenticeships at Gulfstream, their future already soaring. For SCCPSS, I'm Ken Slatz.